everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 2 and we're heading to Disneyland Paris. Disneyland Paris. So it's actually like what, 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes away, and it's, how cold is it right now? It is 33 degrees outside. Feels like
dress up
27.
warm.
I got like 5 layers on under here. And these 2 big jackets. I can show you our outfits. This is my wife's outfit.
This is my outfit. It's from Pretty Little Thing. Jacket, Pretty Little Thing. All outwear, Pretty Little Thing. Socks, Primark. Hair, AliExpress. Glasses,
Turn on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Husband. So, yeah.
And nails.
Nails, husband, y'all.
And then I got, you know, the strength coat, black pants, not much. Just double layered up. And then it says, what does it say? I can't read it backwards. Create your own sunshine. So we're gonna head out to Disney World right now, or Disneyland.
Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this.
So guys, we came into Disneyland Paris and we got the military discount, which allowed us to have half off, which it came up to 212 euros. So if you're coming here and you're military, it'll be 212 euros. If not, I think it's double the price. So if you guys are in Germany or want to come here, make sure you buy your tickets at the gate. We're about to walk out with these. How do you pay for them? Over here.
So cute.
Around with Star Command,
The rocket ship, remember we saw earlier? It goes up and down like this.
Thanks for the line.
No, they got fries and burger. So guys, we're in this place trying to eat some food. Burger, fries, whatever it is. The line is always long for some reason. Everywhere we went, even Orlando. It's pretty cool. It's like a little dining room. Yeah, YouTube.
Oh, you heard it?
Yeah. Alright y'all, so we ordered our food. We're in this place called I don't know what, but you'll see when you get here. It's like this big arena and they have like shows down there. Whatnot. I'm not trying to show everybody's face in here while they're eating. But we ordered BB-8 the meal. My wife ordered a chicken sandwich meal. And this is what we got. And all of this came up to 32 euros. Which is like, dang. that's almost 40 bucks for all of this. This should be like 20 bucks back home, or like 15. So be prepared for that.
Same with the money.
Yeah. This is what the BB-8 look like. You guys are wondering, because you guys asked for food videos. And this is the little chicken burger. You guys are asking for show the food. Looks good though. Hey, Space Mountain. Oh my god, I was supposed to do this when I was 9. I was supposed to do it when I was 9.
Is that a ticket this way?
Huh? When I said the Disney Hotel, I remember when I was a kid, I thought people lived inside this. Oh wow. You can go upstairs.
I thought it was downstairs.
You can go up there. Alright guys, so we're going to Walt Disney now. To go on the Ratatouille ride. What else are you saying?
Indiana Jones. Some other stuff. There's a lot of movie rides.
May we
Yeah,
have your
movie rides.
attention, please? We'll remind you that access to Disneyland Paris requires a health pass. Please present it during the controlled setup throughout the resort. Thank you for your cooperation.
Toy Story. You know what my name is? Dream Weekend. That boat was so nice though, I'm not gonna lie. You can take some like city pictures in here, looks like.
Pour la santé et la sécurité de tous,
Welcome.
vous devez porter un masque et vous couvrir la bouche et le nez lorsque vous toussez et éternuez. Pensez également à vous laver les mains souvent et soigneusement. Pour profiter au mieux de votre temps, nous vous invitons à télécharger l'application officielle de Disneyland Paris. Vous pourrez explorer la carte des parcs, les programmes des parcs, voir les temps d'attente pour les attractions et bien plus.